The TOMZON A24 mini drone kit is an ideal choice for beginners of all ages, offering easy-to-use features such as one-key sync, one-key takeoff land, and altitude hold. The drone also includes a unique battle mode, allowing two players to engage in a safe infrared combat, making it a fun and interactive toy for kids. The multi-button remote control with auto-connect function ensures a smooth and uncomplicated operation, adding to the user-friendly nature of this mini drone. Safety is a priority with the TOMZON A24 mini drone kit, as it comes with a sturdy blade cover and an emergency stop feature, along with 4 batteries providing 32 minutes of flying time. Not just for beginners, this drone also offers advanced features such as 3D flips, circle flight, high-speed rotation, and 3 different flying speeds, ensuring continued interest for more experienced users. With excellent customer service, including a 1-year warranty and round-the-clock online help, the TOMZON A24 mini drone kit is a reliable and entertaining toy that would make a great gift for any occasion.